Seeing the people we love, healthy, doing what we love, together. It's the role of life sciences to protect what matters most. Progress stems from the minds of visionaries who challenge the status quo. Today's pioneers are innovating new ways to prevent, diagnose, cure, and care, and to improve the patient experience and quality of life. But creating new healthcare experiences is complex, requiring a diversity of knowledge and know-how, openly shared across an ecosystem to connect the dots. It means converting big data into smart data, leveraging collective intelligence, and empowering life sciences stakeholders with model-based engineering, simulating real-world conditions in a virtual world, creating sustainable new business models that will improve safety, efficiency, and patient outcomes. Da쏘sistem's 3D experience platform is the catalyst and enabler, a scientific and collaborative environment fostering sustainable growth and workforce of the future empowerment, improving the patient experience by harmonizing product, nature, and life, creating a better and healthier world. In a future made possible by virtual universes, experience the future today